I'm Andrew Roy, head baker, owner of Twin Bears Bakery here in Frederick, Maryland. So our specialty is sourdough breads, specifically freshly milled grains, what we use in almost all of our breads, but really an emphasis on handmade, naturally fermented breads is really the mainstay of our business. We continue to do the best that we can to tell the story of our local farmer and our local miller, and that's where we came up with really our mission statement, which is, supporting farmers, millers, and communities through bread, right? Which is what we do. Both telling a story of where bread has come from, but also, who are the people that are behind it? Who are the people that are growing the grains? We were growing a lot as a company, so we continued to have more and more recipes. Furthermore, our customer base was expanding. So we went around and started looking at different platforms. There's a number of different platforms that are out there, none of which was comprehensive enough to really meet our needs. We did have the opportunity to walk through a Cybake demo, and we found that not only does this meet our immediate needs, but there was plenty of room for scalability as we grew the business. We do use our online ordering platform through Cybake, which is really helpful for a lot of our customers. Some of our wholesale customers like the ease of just being able to log into a website, put their orders in, and not have to communicate with everybody. Cybake luckily has a back end that supports that. What I wasn't prepared for is how much Cybake has really helped us scale. When we originally stepped into our bakery, we were baking about 3 times less than what we're baking now, and that development has been rather rapid. Cybake's ability to help you scale and help you grow, and a number of features that they have to help you tackle larger mixes and stay organized. I would have to go through and change a bunch of stuff on a bunch of different spreadsheets, and just the amount of data entry, I would be at it for 15 or 20 minutes, whereas with Cybake, I can go in, I can change a number in 30 seconds, and that's automatically going to propagate out to all of our products. The thing that I was really impressed with is that it wasn't like taking my way of doing things and shoehorning it into Cybake. It was, okay, we're going to look at how you operate. This is how we're going to manipulate our software so that it works the way that you are already working. Even just in my first couple initial demos, I missed the fact that how much it was going to become an integral tool for our day-to-day success in the bakery. In our world, we're always looking for tips and tricks and ways to help streamline processes, whether that be, on the production floor, on the shaping table, rolling out new products, whatever the case may be. You're always looking for efficient ways to go about that. I couldn't imagine managing this aspect of the business without something like Cybake in our corner to help us be successful. I can see that Cybake's been built on recommendations coming from bakers like me, and I know that whenever I interface with somebody either on the tech support side of things or any of the other people that we interface with Cybake, I feel like they actually care about us as customers, and they listen to what we have to say. And the ability to be able to partner with somebody that's still nimble enough to be able to take in that kind of feedback, and you can have your own little impact on the software is pretty cool. I would recommend Cybake to other bakers.